Are you a realtor looking to expand your horizons and grow your income? Look no further. Three Pentacles PLLC introduces its exciting Realtor Referral Program. At Three Pentacles, we understand the value of partnerships. That's why we're thrilled to offer realtors like you the opportunity to earn extra income simply by referring clients who need property management services. As a realtor, I'm always looking for ways to provide more value to my clients. Three Pentacles Referral Program allows me to do just that while earning additional income. Here's how it works. You refer property owners to Three Pentacles PLLC who are seeking property management services. When your referral signs up with us, you earn a generous referral fee as a token of appreciation. Additionally, we do not compete with real estate brokers for sales. We do not have an affiliated company, division, or branch that engages in sales. When you refer a property management client to us, we will pay you a referral fee today and refer that client back to you in the future when she is ready to sell. We will put it in writing and give you a referral fee agreement. Our process is seamless. Simply refer your clients to us and we'll take care of the rest. From marketing their property to finding reliable tenants and handling tenant screening, rent collection, and maintenance issues, Three Pentacles PLLC ensures peace of mind for property owners. Join our Realtor Referral Program today and start earning extra income while providing top-notch property management solutions to your clients. Together, let's build successful partnerships and help property owners thrive. Contact us now to learn more. Three Pentacles PLLC, your partner in property management excellence.